Earthquake warning. Earthquake warning.
This is an earthquake early warning.
Earthquake warning.
A big
Earthquake
earthquake.
warning.
Earthquake early warning issued by the Japan
A big
Meteorological Agency. An earthquake has just occurred in Wakayama prefectures. Watch out for strong tremors. Strong tremors are expected to reach the region of Kinki, Shikoku, and Okayama, Hiroshima, Aichi prefectures.
緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。
Be prepared for strong tremors. Protect your head. Please evacuate from near the coast and rivers. Evacuate immediately if you feel shaking in coastal regions. There is a fear of a tsunami. From now on, we will start the emergency broadcast of earthquake and tsunami. In Koki, Tokushima, Wakayama Prefecture, a maximum intensity of 7 was observed. Everyone in the strongly affected area, please remain calm. Please protect your life. Don't turn off your TV or radio. At around 0 p.m., a tremor was felt in Osaka, Wakayama, and Shikoku regions. Keep away from hazardous areas. Hide your body under table or desk.
緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。
Please beware of strong tremors. Protect your head. Watch out for falling objects. Keep away from hazardous areas. Keep away from hazardous areas. Hide your body under table or desk. The studio in Tokyo is shaking now. The studio in Tokyo is shaking now. Don't turn off your TV or radio. Seismic intensity will be reported as soon as it'll become clear. The studio in Tokyo is shaking now. Watch out for falling objects. There is a fear of a tsunami if the seismic source is at the bottom of the ocean. Please leave from near the coast and rivers. Meteorological Agency is examining the epicenter.
Tsunami warning. Tsunami warning. Tsunami warning.
Major tsunami warning issued.
A tsunami warning has been issued.
Evacuate
A
immediately
tsunami
from
warning has
coastal
been
regions
issued.
and riverside
Evacuate
areas
immediately.
to a safer place
Evacuate
such as
immediately.
high ground or an
Everyone,
evacuation
please
building.
remember the Great East Japan earthquake. Leave from near the coast and rivers. Leave from near the coast and rivers.
Major tsunami warning issued. Evacuate immediately from coastal regions and riverside areas to a safer place such as high ground or an evacuation building.